Missing someone, missing someone, missing someone. Love is all you want. Missing someone. Love is all.
Oh well, hello.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. And twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh,
In the box you can switch the escape key with the HyperX's logo. Also you can switch the space bar to a different looking space bar. As you might be able to see, it can reflect a lot of colors from the space bar. One thing I've also noticed that this keyboard has two extra LEDs available in the spacebar, which I didn't had in my previous HyperX's keyboard. So that's a good thing, I guess. This keyboard comes with a detachable Type-C port, so you can definitely detach the cable whenever you want to, and you can easily carry it to anywhere. So this keyboard is actually ultra portable because it's already very small, and you can easily put it in your bag and you can easily carry it to wherever you want. I recommend you to carry it in the box because it's way more safe. This keyboard comes with a double shot PBT keycaps, and they are black and they are slightly textured. As I have compared with my previous keyboard, it was the keys of that keyboard was actually smooth, and this keyboard the keys are slightly textured for a efficient grip. So this is a good thing. Also, it comes with the full aluminum body, as I have mentioned earlier, aircraft grade aluminum body. So definitely it can resist heavy shocks and jerks. It also comes with a dual stand, so you can basically adjust the keyboard height in two levels. The first one is the smaller one and the second one is the bigger one. They both have a rubberized grip for an efficient grip to your mouse pad. It comes with the 4 brightness levels in the onboard memory. As you can see, the first one is the 0 brightness level, the second one is the 33, the third one is the 66%, and the fourth one is the 100% brightness level. This keyboard can get up to a very bright level, which you might be able to see in the video, because the HyperX's keyboards are actually way more brighter than any other regular keyboards. And this is the most interesting things about this series, that the HyperX's keyboards RGBs are actually very bright. You can unlock more brightness level by the software. As you might be able to see that there is a bar available to adjust the brightness. So if you want to set the brightness level to your specific need, then you can use the software, and you can manually increase or decrease the brightness by the keyboard also, but only after closing the software completely from the PC and using the onboard memory for the RGB effects. You can find gaming mode also available in this keyboard. You can activate it by pressing the F and I key. As you might be able to see, the Windows key lit up by the white color, so it just means that the window key is now deactivated, and whenever you play any favorite games, if you accidentally press the Windows key, it doesn't activate, and that will basically prevent you from accidental activation of Windows key. There is also a special indication for caps lock. If I press the caps lock, it basically lit up by the white light. It basically means the caps lock is right now on, so it will indicate the activation of the gaming mode or the caps lock key. I think they are basically 100% anti-ghosting, so I guess they won't disappear after a long usage of about 1 to 2 years. There is also a rollover N key function available. There is also acceleration function is available in this keyboard. The length of this particular keyboard is 29 centimeters, while the breadth of this keyboard is 10 centimeters. The cable which comes with the package is completely braided cable, and the quality of this cable is way more good than any other cable which other brand provides. And there is also HyperX branding on the Type-C port. Also, there is the HyperX branding on the USB section, and this cable is around 2 meters long. And the activation weight of these keys are 45 grams. These keys will activate in the weight of 45 grams. Also, the activation distance of these keys is 1.8 mm, while the total distance traveling of these keys are 3.8 mm. So there is a lot of key travel distance available, and the activation distance is 1.8 mm, so you definitely won't miss any action in the gaming. The weight of this keyboard is 780 grams. If you compare it with my previous keyboard, which was HyperX's Alloy Origin Score, which costs around the same, was around 1 kilos, and the difference between these both keyboards is only 200 grams. So you can definitely assume that the premiumness and the build quality of these keyboards, because even after getting this much small, the weight is way more. Also, the price tag of these keyboards is 8990. You can find them on Amazon. You can also find them at a very perfect price in sales, which is basically 7,500 and sometimes even 7,400. So the price is a little high, but you will get a perfect keyboard for your gaming setup or productivity setup. Well, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video for whatever reason, so please don't forget to hit the like button, ring the notification bell, and subscribe to our channel. Well, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, so please just support the channel, because we need some support to go with this channel for a long, but just hope for the best. Well, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Peace out. Thank you.